Hello and welcome. My name is Elvira, and in this video I'm going to analyze and assess the software application in terms of user experience. The mobile application that I'm going to look at is Runkeeper. Runkeeper is a fitness tracking app that allows users to record their fitness activities and see the corresponding data of these activities, like duration, distance, pace, and burned calories. Runkeeper is free and available for both iOS and Android. It has different activities, and the most popular of them are running, cycling, and walking. Overall, it has 13 different fitness activities, including wheelchair. Let's have a closer look at usability factors, and we will start from findability. Findability implies to ease with which user can find information in the app. Here you can see the home screen. The first thing that draws attention is the map, so the user understands that it is a stored activity page. The second thing that attracts attention is Start button. It has action color and fairly big size, which makes it easy to find. It is intuitively clear that you can choose the activity by clicking on the activity box. It also has an informative icon that helps the user to understand what this bot does, even not reading the text. When we go here, we see the list of activities. Again, icons are explicit, and you don't even need to read the name of activity to choose the right one. So generally, the home page is clear and simple, and user can find the main features easily and quickly. Overall, the findability level is high. Runkeeper has clear navigation, proper icons, understandable hierarchy. And also, it has typical for mobile apps positioning and naming of functions. Therefore, it is recognizable. The design adheres to the KISS principle, keep it simple. That is really important for findability. So I gave this factor 5 stars. Second factor we are going to look at is learnability. Learnability is responsible for how quickly and easily user can memorize and recall the sequences of actions to reach his goal. Generally, the good findability results in good learnability. Runkeeper has a consistent menu that allows users to understand and learn it fast. Each menu category has a clear icon and explicit name, so the user understands what he can find in each category. The app looks familiar to those who use mobile apps. That means that the behavior and sequences of the app is predictable and expected. For example, if user wants to find a menu, he will probably search the top part of the screen for burger menu. And after tapping on it, he would expect the menu to show up. Overall, the simplicity of the app in terms of structure, positioning, and clear naming makes it easy to learn. The learnability principle that is implemented well in this app is predictability. So that I gave this factor 5 stars. Last but not least usability factor that I'm going to analyze is safety. Safety is responsible for reliability and predictability of apps' behavior and responses. The app protects user from unwanted actions and mistakes. For example, when users go to their fitness activity details, the delete options is hard to accidentally tap because it is placed in a separate menu which preserves users from losing their data. Even if user while exploring the app accidentally tap to the delete button, the confirmation pop-up will appear, so that user is notified of what is going on and what is going to happen to his data. At this point, user can choose if he really wants to delete his action. In case if he wants to delete his action, he just press delete, and then he gets the message that activity successfully deleted. However, sometimes the fitness activity, after it is just been done, does not appear in user's feed. It looks like a bug, but also it might be connected with bad internet connection problems. Nevertheless, it gives the user the feeling that something is wrong and feeling of insecurity. Overall, the app gives user feedback, protects from mistakes, and informs about actions that have just been done. However, it has some reliability issues due to deferred activity posting to the feed. And reliability is one of the crucial safety principles. So I gave this factor 3.5 stars. To summarize, let's look at all three usability factors. So findability, 5 stars, has clear navigation, proper icons, hierarchy, and recognizable. Learnability, 5 stars, consistent menu, familiar, predictable, and simple. Safety, 3.5 stars, give feedback, protects from mistakes, informs, but unfortunately has problem with reliability. Now, let's move to the engagement factors. First factors I will look at is adaptivity. It defines the ability of the app to adjust to specific user needs. First of all, Runkeeper has a wide range of fitness activities that allows different users to find the activities they prefer and adjust the activity to their needs. In Runkeeper, the user can choose different audio starts. For example, the woman voice, man voice, or even drill instructor. It is the audio accompaniment during the fitness activity. User can also choose the time trigger, when the app tells you the current time, distance, and speed, for example, each 10 minutes. Or you can also choose to tell this information based on the distance you've gone, for example, each 2 kilometers. User can also add the profile settings like gender, age, and weight that allows the app to count the calories based on your data more precisely. However, it is not possible to change the font size, which I personally find important. Moreover, scaling it is one of the adaptivity principles. Overall, Runkeeper gives users the freedom to adjust some settings to make the interaction more suitable for their needs and preferences. However, it is not possible to change font size, which might be a problem for people with bad vision. So I gave the adaptivity 4 stars. The final engagement factor is aesthetics, which implies how pleasant the application is to use in terms of having an appealing appearance. The Runkeeper has flat design. That means that elements do not have shadows or 3D effects, and it's associated with modern, clean, and crisp design. The quality of icons are good and you don't see any visual defects like visible pixels because of the wrong icon size or format. The app is well balanced regarding font size and the ratio of other elements on a page as icons and buttons. The elements are aligned, the color scheme and icons are consistent. For example, the action color is orange throughout the whole app, and icons have the same linear style, which makes the app looks consistent and complete. Overall, the CRAP principle, constant alignment, repetition, and proximity, works well in Runkeeper design, and I give aesthetics 5 stars. To summarize engagement factors, let's look at them one more time. Adaptivity, 4 stars. Adjusted features, options, you can make it personal, but unfortunately you can't change the font size. Activation, 5 stars. The app gives you rewards, you have competitions, community, and different triggers. Aesthetics, 5 stars. The app has high quality, it's consistent, balanced, and up to date. Now let's talk about meaning factor. First, I want to clarify that different users have different meaning factors, and I decided to define the specific group I will focus on, and these users are competitive runners that like to set challenges goals, and share their results and achievements with friends. That keeps them motivated and productive. For this group of users, the meaning factor is recognition. Recognition gives a person the feeling of acknowledgement, value, and self-importance. The user gets recognition from the app features like rewards after a new personal record. In the end of each activity, the app asks you how you feel. That makes the user feel like somebody takes care of them. The app collects and stores all the achievements of the user in specific place that shows the respect and appreciation of your accomplishments. The community also gives the user the recognition in a way of liking and commenting on posted activities. Overall, the user gets recognition from the app features, rewards, asking opinion, achievement list, as well as from the community, comments and likes. To conclude, the Runkeeper has good usability. It is easy to find the main features in the app and therefore easy to learn. Yet sometimes due to the connection problems, the fitness activity is not posted immediately in the feed and the user gets confused whether the activity was saved or not. So my suggestion would be to make it possible to post the activity to the feed even when the user has no connection and just have a warning message next to the post that the uploading will be completed when the user will be connected to the internet. Runkeeper has great engagement. Users are involved, so they get back to the app again. The user is able to adjust the app to some extent. However, the users with vision problems might not be able to use the app. So my suggestion is to improve the Runkeeper is to add the option of sizing the fonts and icons. The recognition meaning works well due to rewards and the community, but I would also add the option of sharing your achievements on social media like Facebook and Instagram. That would give users even more value in terms of recognition. That was analysis of Runkeeper app. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.